We Lazarus. Huh? Lazarus.
Let me explain why.
If the big issue today is about the load shedding, Julius will be on TV calling for you to shut down.
Why? Tell me why.
They attack him about the foreigners. He changes. He's on the other side. He's no longer very vehement on the foreigners issue like he used to. As a matter of principle, changes depending on what happens.
Let us look at the evidence.
It goes back to the issue of foreign nationals, which I entirely agree with South Africans. Inspectors ought to go in and check how many South Africans are employed here. And these foreigners that you have employed, what skill are they bringing which South Africans cannot produce?
This is what you said.
What is the definition of a foreigner? A foreigner is a person who comes into your country without papers, doesn't have anything to show. That includes you. You are foreigners. Some of you who are beating up Zimbabweans here, some of you who are hating on Zimbabweans here, you are going to work for them.
That's a goddamn sign.
I like this thing of social media because the young ones are so creative. They go back in my days to compare what I said now with what I said then. Because you want to say I'm a flip-flopper. And I'm not a flip-flopper, by the way.
Yes. I'm often proof. What's my often proof?
Proof no figures.
I'm often proof the proven. Listen properly.
I failed a podcast. This unemployed, lack of creative people who go and just take cameras and then do flopped podcasts, imitating McG, faking it. McG is still going to outshine them because of their fraudulent mentality. Copycats.
A few moments later.
McG podcast. It's a political party, that thing.
Oh, wait, nah.
It's a political party formed to depoliticize the youth. That is his role. That's why he drinks alcohol during presentation. He thinks he's special. He thinks wearing flip-flops is something special.
Malema, you are very stupid, Malema.
Call me flip-flopper. Call me what you want to call me. I don't decide what people call me.
Lazarus bawubhubha